put your finger on here. Get this set up. Ready, guys? Okay, good. I can handle it from there. That's pretty close. Okay. Okay, that's the bracket there to hold the caliper down on the bottom.
Okay.
You see there?
Yeah, I see it.
Now I have to let it have a little bit of space here so it's not dragging on the housing.
Yeah.
And then I got to put a bracket from here to here.
Okay.
And then that's it. Okay, the drive line is all in. This is the rotor and this is the new caliper.
Yeah.
I got an anchor down at the bottom on this side, and I gotta put this brace in here tomorrow. And then this one is ready, and I'm gonna go to the brake cylinder next.
Okay.
And that's it for today.
So how happy are you to have the drive shaft back now?
I'm happy to have the drive shaft all together.
Okay. So is this the last of the big projects, or have you got more big projects to do?
Next is the power steering.
Okay. Okay, well, a lot of people are looking forward to the power steering. And what's your tip of the day for today?
I think the tip of the day is don't eat yellow snow.
Okay. There you go. Don't eat yellow snow.